How to change Outlook password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change your Outlook password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically change your Outlook password, you can't do it using the Outlook application. So instead what you have to do is you have to open up your browser and then you have to go to outlook.com and log into your Outlook account from your browser instead. Now once you log into outlook.com, you will set this type of interface where you can just tap your profile icon from the top right and just go to this option here that says My Microsoft Account. Now when you go to My Microsoft Account, one more time it might ask you to verify it. So if it does, just make sure to go ahead and then verify your account details as well. If it doesn't, you'll be taken to the next page over here. So right here you can see that we are on this particular page, but what we need to do from here is we just need to keep scrolling a bit further below over here. So it will take us to account.microsoft.com. Then from here we can just tap on the get started option here, and as we do that, we want to simply go ahead and enter our password first of all, and once done we can tap on the sign in option again. Now it will ask you to verify your account. Once you've verified it, you'll be taken to the page where you can simply choose a new password, and this way you should be able to go ahead and then change your Outlook password. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.